Friends, this world of the internet is very similar. Millions of videos are uploaded daily on social media, and we keep seeing new things. Although you all must have seen a lot of videos on the internet, but in today's video, I will show you such unique things that you may have never seen before. So let's start your countdown, friends. Many of you will know this. That lights up the world's fastest travel elements. One of the even sun is 93 million miles away from our land. Its rays also take only 8 minutes to reach us. But have you ever seen any light traveling in real life? Well, in this video, you are seeing two people tried the light travel experiment in real. They installed a slow-motion camera and LED light, connected a long wire with various objects so that the light could be seen traveling in real time. It took less than 1 millisecond for this light to pass. But even when it was seen in slow motion, this light was traveling so fast, which was difficult to see. As you can see that this small light is also traveling so fast even in slow motion. Well, by watching this video, it can be guessed that the light. How fast this experiment travels was really worth seeing, friends. If we talk about the backlights of the car, then there is nothing unusual in them. They are installed inside the car so that the car coming from behind can know the presence of this vehicle, and there is no accident, etc. Normally, the lights of every vehicle are simple, but have you ever seen the lights of a car burning on fire? Well, the video you are watching in the first class, it seems like the backlights of this car. But you must have been surprised to know that this is not a fire, but only a feat of light effects. Such LED lights are installed in the car lights that when they are turned on, they give a fire-like effect, and the person watching from a distance feels as if there is a fire inside its car. However, these lights are really very unusual. Friends, if we talk about trains, then normally the tracks of the trains are installed on the ground, and the train on the ground. But have you ever seen a train flying in the sky? Well, the video you are watching, in which two trains are in the sky. Actually, this train system is built inside the city of China. It is a public transport. And in this system, the trains are glued to the track under a bridge through Hughes magnets. These trains are similarly hanging in the air. These trains have been named Optics Valley Photon when they pass over the city at night. Looking at them, it seems as if they are moving in the sky. And not only that, but these trains also look very futuristic. Although sharks are one of the most dangerous creatures in the world, and most amva sharks in the sea are due to attack. But have you ever seen a person dancing with a shark? Well, it sounds strange to hear. How can a man dance with a shark? But this video you see, in this, a driver is dancing with a pet shark inside the Hughes aquarium. The interesting thing is that the shark is also full of his company. She is enjoying and dancing with it in such a romantic way as if it is her life partner or girlfriend. Although this scene is quite funny, but if Shar gets a little angry on this, then surely this guy will not be well. Whatever it is, this view is really worth watching. Friends, if you are a food lover, then you have done a lot of fun and yummy dishes. Must have been tried. But what if you're given a person's face to eat? It sounds very unusual. But in the video, an expert chef is preparing an amazing dish of human face shape, as you can see in the video. First, it keeps the dough in oil to be fried. The shape of this dough is like a human face. Then it adds 2 egg yolks to the eye place inside this dough, and then with the help of black pepper. After that, he makes hair of this guy through boiled noodles, and then applies ketchup on his lips. It is not only tasty, but its shape also looks like the same humans. Whatever it is, you will not find this kind of unique dish anywhere else in the world. Friends, there is no doubt that the deer is one of the most beautiful animals in the world, although all of you must have seen a deer at some time inside the zoo. But do you know that the deer, when it runs, its race is the most unique race in the world? In appearance, a running deer looks absolutely normal, and there is nothing unusual in it. But if seen in slow motion, when a deer runs, its back legs go above its front body. In fact, the legs of the deer are very flexible, and when it runs, it does not even get tired of being bended. Whatever it is, the deer's running style is really very unusual. Friends, if we talk about drones, in the last few years, there's been so much development inside them that now a person is sitting at home and the word of any place bescheimerth. So many advanced cameras are installed inside the drone that with the help of them, we can see anything in absolutely clear and real time. Although you all must have seen many drones, but the drone you are seeing is the world's most advanced drone. It has been built under art intelligence, and the way to run it is also compared to other drones. Absolutely different. You are worn glasses to run it, and you have to do everything exactly in front of your eyes. By wearing VR glasses, you feel as if you are flying with a drone and taking a view of everything from the sky. Such sensors have been installed in it that the way a person turns his head, this drone also starts reacting on this side. With the help of this, you can take a real view feeling. However, this drone is really incredible. Friends, shawarma is such a fast food that everyone likes. What is this thing that is easily found everywhere? And its demand. It's also very high, by the way. All of you must have seen shawarma becoming in many places, but you have never seen a line of this kind of yummy shawarma before today. In this video, you are watching. The chef of a restaurant is preparing the world's largest shawarma by looking at its chicken. It can be guessed how much in size in the noise made from it. This chef is also cutting the chicken at a very high speed. The interesting thing is that this guy is together in dozens of noises at a time. He can prepare it, and its noise is so tasty that seeing them will make anyone's mouth water. Only this guy is a pro in the wok. Friends, if we talk about the bars, then normally trucks or heavy vehicles are used to transport it. But have you ever seen long bars being transported on the guard? Well, cut the bars, so still someone will load it in the defense. But in the video you're watching, Indian defense drivers are many 100 dapors. As you can see in the video, this huge bar is loaded on 3 guards in a systematic manner, and it has been balanced so well that it is not falling down, even after being on 3 guards. And even when the guard is folded, it does not even move. Well, only Indian Pakistani people can do this kind of jugaad. Friends, if we talk about chicken, then we have mostly butcher chicken meat here. Many people have a mincing machine with which they make meat mince. But have you ever seen a machine that cuts chicken meat? Well, in the video you are watching, butchers are cutting meat with the help of a machine. As you can see how this machine can cut meat into equal portions. The pieces of meat made from it are so perfect that it is fun to see them. So friends, that's all I hope for today.